7 watt bulb, 2 watt, 1.6 to 0.45 amp, and 2 watt, 1.6 to 2 watt, but the box 7 watt. Okay, that's good. Here also no. This bulb 3.5 watt. Yeah, 3.5 watt. .6 watt. Oh, 3 watt. Okay. Amp 0.57. 3 watt. Okay. Almost 3 watt. So one thing I notice, if I use Philips, exactly 12 watt, consumption 12 watt. So the next bulb is 5 watt. This is 5 watt. It's 5 watt, but they don't write in the side. Five watt take 1.3 watt, and amp 0.34, very low. Okay, 1.3 watt. Yeah, stable so far. Now I will use small bulb, 3 watt Panda bulb, my favorite. That is why I'm making this video, because this is zero electricity consumption bulb. Really, even I use LED from the USB one, the smallest one also. Okay, this is 3 watt bulb, but I don't know, they don't mention much here, but there's their quality like this. This is Panda 3 watt bulb. And you can see 0 watt. It's not only one, I ordered 3 bulb, because if really 0 watt, and even the amp, 0 watt, volt, and as you can see the amps also 0, 0, 0. This meter, it will show you even I on the charger or USB, it will show. I will do demonstration later. But this is amazing thing I like with this bulb, and in the darkness it really works very well. I mean, you can have 0 watt electricity with this bulb, including the light. Now what I'm going to do, I want to show you little demonstration. Here I have 5 volt small LED. Can use normally in the power bank, right? So what I'm going to do, I will take this charger from side, bring out. I have to do everything in one hand, so okay, still one, you can see 0 watt. I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to this one. This is original Apple charger. Place this, and now I'm going to place this. Actually, I never experiment before, but first time on the camera. Okay, This is a very small bulb, tiny. 0 watt shows here, and 5 volt. Okay, mean USB only, but it shows like this. So as you can see, normally this is take very less, but this light compared to this light, this is bigger actually. Now when I use this one, I hope you can see little difference. I will bring out this and I place it this. As you can see, this bulb is really big and bright also, because personally I already done demonstration, I already done this thing in my room, and it's really bright that I really shocked. That's the reason I ordered few of bulbs, and I really like this one also. Let me test. So I prefer better, I use 3-4 bulbs, this one on 220 volt, and saving a lot of energy and getting the same light rather than, so we can say maybe sometime only one bulb have something like, I have to remove it with one hand here. Okay. This is the new bulb. I didn't even test it yet. So here, yeah, perfect. No watt, no amp, nothing. That's the reason to make this video, that this kind of 3-watt bulbs exist. If you really want to save electricity, or even you run on the batteries, it takes very less energy, almost no. Plus the brightness is really nice. I want to show you, there's a one in my toilet still. I want to show you here. Okay, here the small bulb is on all the time. I will leave it in the toilet, so I don't need to turn on off. This is a big bulb. This is 12 watt. I will show you Philips 12 watt. But in my toilet now you can see, everything can see clear, so I don't have to close. Now I'm going to open this. I will show you this bulb. This bulb is Philips, and you can see how many watt, 12 watt, right? And now I'm going to place this bulb. This Philips 12 watt. Okay. Of course it's a little bit more brighter, but it pays. You have to pay cost. You can put 1000 watt, you have to pay. The brighter, the more light, the more, but the thing is 0. As you can see, the meter is exactly 11.6 12 watt. So my meter shows exactly amp 0.79 12 watt. So in the last, at least you get 1 point more, that the meter is exactly same as the Philips claim. This is 12 watt bulb, and you know the Philips is really standard. And I have one more bulb. I put it here, and this is also Philips. And how many watt? 4 watt, right? Let's see on my meter how many watt it shows here. Okay, it's kind of yellow. Yeah, as you can see, it's almost 4 watt, 3.3 or 3 point something. Might be it goes slightly go because it's yellow color. So see the amps 0.34, much lower, but 3 watt or 3 point something. Yeah, it's fluctuating as 3.3 or something. So as you can see, these bulb are accurate, and but I fan of this because 0 watt 0 amp, and you can run all the time still, especially for solar. Even for your home I can. That's the reason I buy this 3 holder and 3 watt 3 bulbs. I put it here, and I want to see how many watt it takes actually. So now in the last, what I'm going to do is I will place 3 bulbs in the same way, and I want to check how many electricity it will take. So yeah, as you can see, but try off the switch here. One hand camera, another hand my experiment. Because actually when I start make video, I was thinking I will be just little quick, but video can be longer like that. I was not expecting. So now you can see the meter shows everything a little bit wider. I think it's much better. Now you can see meter shows everything is 0. Let's start from amp. As you can see, all bulb on, 3 lights bulbs on, and now you can see 179 amp is drawing, for example. And let's see the watt. 3 watt, 3.3 watt. So technically it shows like each bulb take only 1 watt, and they rate it for 3 watt. So that is the real capacity. For example, I remove 1 bulb from here. Oh yeah, here. Okay, now how many watt? 2.62, and amp 0.91. And when 1 bulb more, I will remove. Okay, this one more loose, so it's easy for me. Okay, now only 1 bulb on is go to 0. So, and watt, okay, 0 when I click this. So 2 watt should be right. 2 watt should be 3. 3.3 actually. I don't know. Maybe I will try this one to turn. Yeah, less than 2. Now 2 bulb is on. So I don't know, this socket have something inside, but I think this is only the extension, nothing more. But anyway, if I use 2 bulb or 3, technically the light is 3339 watt, but consuming only 3 watts, so less than half. So these 3 bulb really look enough for me, quite bright for any room actually. You will not feel anything dark. So for me, I think I recommend 1 bulb is enough for emergency use, and it's long time. And this is just my simple, a little bit longer but comparison, very detailed. So that's the reason I bought this. For example, now I'm getting 9 watt energy, but actually it's consuming only 3 watt. So technically, I mean, this is very good. So yeah, hope you like the video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment. See you.